Good evening, everyone. Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. Out for a little late night cruise in the 05 Toyota Highlander. Thought I'd catch off a 0 to 60 pull, maybe even a 0 to 70. I don't know. We'll have to see what traffic's like up here, which I don't think it'll be too heavy. This is my stepmom's 05 Highlander. I've only driven this a couple of times. It's got 165,000 miles. I uploaded a cold start video yesterday. This is a fantastic car for its age and mileage. It just runs and drives so good. Toyota really did a great job with this vehicle for sure. This thing really shines. Whoa. Get up here to my little 0 to 60 spot. This 3.3 Toyota V6 is strong. Very, very strong. Great engine. Got power for days. Yeah, I like these old Highlanders. I've been keeping my eye on for one at the auction. I've been thinking about getting one for my wife for a while, but we've got so many cars right now. We got like 2, 4, oh Lord, 6. Yeah, I gotta get rid of a couple first. I gotta let a couple of these Volkswagen leases run up before I buy anything else. I just want some cash cars. No more leases. Anyway, just wanted to shoot a little clip there of the 0 to 60 05 Toyota Highlander V6. This is a 2-wheel drive model, not a 4-wheel drive, just a front-wheel drive. Y'all have a good night. Happy Memorial Day. Like, subscribe, comment. I appreciate it. Y'all have a good one. Peace.